Hi, in this video I will show you how to use YouTube short green screen effect on the YouTube shorts. So how you can do it. So this feature is just launched by the YouTube application. Now you can change your background by using the green screen effect. So you can use any background in your background to make your video more attractive and look beautiful. So first of all, as we know, this feature is just launched. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the YouTube, and once you will search for it, you have to update your YouTube mobile application. So this is the first step. Once you will update your YouTube application, right now my YouTube application is up to date it. Moreover, one more point is that this feature is not available for all the countries right now. So if you don't see the green screen effect on the YouTube short, then you have to wait for that YouTube will launch this feature in your country. Now go back and you have to open your YouTube mobile application, and simply you have to click on the plus icon in the middle of the main menu bar, and you have to click on the create a short. So once you will click on it, you have to give access to your gallery or the camera to the YouTube short. And once you will do it, now you have to flip your camera to the front to use the feature of the green screen. You will see right here a green screen effect option here. So you have to tap on it. It will change the green background, and you will see different backgrounds on the bottom right here. As you will see on the screen, you will see different backgrounds. Select any that you want to make in your background. So this is the procedure to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.